Motorcycles Vancouver.
I know I'm a little weird. It's okay, because soon we'll be here in these kinds of houses, man. Soon. Look at this fucking place. So now a lot of people don't know about this, but this is the new shortcut over to Cypress Hill from North Shore. So you can get on the highway, and oh yeah, it's a lot faster, but it's not nearly as nice. You know what? Let's take a look over here. Let's see what's going on up here. We got the Aston Hill. Let's check it out. Lots of them. Look at these fucking houses. What are these, cottage property or are these just houses? Double split houses. Holy fuck. Look at these goddamn neighborhoods. Just zigzagging like the hills in Beverly Hills. Like the Hollywood motherfucking hills. This place is just ridiculous. This home is occupied. Nice house. Nice house. Nice water features out front and shit. Beautiful. Just a straight hill climb. We don't want to do that. Let's get out of here. So this is the utility area, so they're not going to pave it until the city pays, obviously. Hilarious, right? And then the city's going to show them by never paving it. So that'll be a joke too. Nice up in here. Nice place to get a house. Okay. So this is the shortcut, guys. This is the shortcut to Cypress. I just checking out Highview because that's a cool spot. So this isn't open yet, but I got permission. We're doing some work up here, so I'm allowed to be in here. We got a job site here again on Wednesday, 2 days from now, where we're doing some construction up in here. They wanted me to make sure nothing was going on at the site. It looks good. Everything looks safe. Cool, cool, cool. Everything is cool. That is cool. Cool. You got someone here still? Let's fucking do this, bro. Oh, it's chilly out tonight. It's a cool, cool night. And so here's your first Cypress lookout. Okay? There it is. Now, one of the things you guys gotta be real careful about up here at night is those deer. Oh yeah! Fuck yeah! Oh, this is cold as fuck. Starting to get hypothermic. Woo! Cyprus in the middle of the winter. So here's what I do in my spare time. How about you guys? You guys enjoying shoveling your driveways? Are you having fun making snowballs?
Motorcycles Vancouver.